there, and this video is going to show you how you can make sure that your Oscha Bairn carrier doesn't widen at the waist when you're tightening or through carrying a small baby. So because we have a slider cinch, which is super easy to use and really soft and comfortable for your baby, you might find that when you're tightening them into the sling that the width may become a little bit wider than intended. So what you can do to counteract that is once you've finished your tightening, you can then just make sure that your baby is in a really nice deep seat. And by deep seat we mean that their bottom is much lower than their knees. So to do that you can do a small pelvic tuck, and we do have a video on the pelvic tuck on our YouTube playlist as well. So if you just take their knees here and you're just bringing the knees up and rolling the bottom backwards, you should create a nice deep M position which should hold them in place so that they have that lovely deep seat and it avoids the width from moving wider. Now, if you're finding with a very small baby that is still just a little bit wide, then what you can do as a temporary solution, if you want to, you can tie a small piece of ribbon or string around the base of the carrier and that will hold it in place. So I'll just show you what I mean by that in the position that you could do it with the baby before they pop them into the sling. So once you've got the waistband on, for this baby I had rolled the waistband. So what you would do is you would take a small piece of string or ribbon and you would tie it around here so that it held it in place there, and then that would mean once you have the baby in the sling, this part is tied securely together and it's not going to widen while you're tightening or in use. Now that shouldn't need to be, you shouldn't need a tie, but we do find that small tweaks can sometimes just be really helpful if you're out and about, or if you've got a very small baby or you're finding that it is widening, then that might just be the small tweak that you need to have the perfect comfortable carry in the Bairn carrier. So if you'd like any more tips or hints and tricks, then please do let us know, or you can watch our other videos on the Bairn carrier on our playlist here on YouTube. Thanks very much. Bye bye.